Today's my lecture is about scaling and scaling techniques. Scaling is a method used to change qualitative characteristics or attributes into quantitative variables. It is a procedure for assigning numbers, that is, quantitative measures to subjective attributes, that is, abstract concepts. In research, different scaling techniques are used, some of which are described in this lecture. Category scales. Category scale includes simple category scale. A simple category scale classifies respondent into one of two categories: your gender, male or female, are you married, yes or no. This is a nominal scale techniques and respondents have to choose one from two categories. Multiple choice single response scale. In multiple choice single response scale, the respondents are asked multiple items to obtain a single response. This is a nominal scale technique. For example, your department, production, sales, accounting, finance, HR, other. Respondents have to choose one from multiple categories. Rating scales. Rating scale include Richter scale. In Richter scale, respondents are asked to indicate the amount of agreement or disagreement from strongly agree to strongly disagree on a 5 or 7 point scale with statements. The same format is used for multiple questions. This is an interval scale technique. For example, your cellular company is providing adequate services. Respondents have to choose from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Semantic differential scale. In semantic differential, respondents are presented with several bipolar objectives on the extreme of the scale and are asked to indicate the perception towards a particular object or item on each of the objective. This is an interval scale techniques. For example, indicate your perception towards the products offered by city mall departmental store for high quality to low quality, numerous brand to few brands, unknown brands to well-known brands, fully stocked brands to understock. Numerical scale. In numerical, respondents are provided a 5-point or 7-point scale for an object or item with bipolar objective at ends. This is an interval scale techniques. For example, indicate how important or unimportant characteristics of a courier services. Here, important to unimportant point scale are given for items or objects such as delivery services, customer services, accountability and reliability, delivery costs. Itemized rating scale. The itemized rating respondents are provided a 5-point or 7-point scale for each object or item and asked to select the appropriate number on the side of each object or item. This is an interval scale techniques. For example, the respondents are asked to select any statement using given scale from very unlikely to very likely to respond to following objects or items. The general manager will announce new policies in upcoming week, or the company will launch new product series in near future. This is a balanced rating scale with a neutral point. Similarly, the respondents are asked to select any statement using given scale from not all interested to very much interested to respond to the following item or object. How you would rate your interest in the current packages provided by your cellular company. This is unbalanced rating scale which does not have a neutral point. Constant sum scale. In constant sum, the respondents are asked to distribute a given number of points across various objects or items. This is an ordinal scale techniques. The respondents are asked to allocate a point to each of the following accepts in choosing a right job. Benefits, location, advancement, work environment, job security, level of responsibility, work experience, and the total points is 100. Staple scale. In staple scale, a single objective or concept is placed at the center and a numerical scale rating from +3 to -3 on either side of the object or items. For example, the respondents are asked to rate your manager abilities with respect to each of the objectives mentioned by circling the appropriate number. Interpersonal skill, time management, commitment. Select a plus number of for object or item that one thinks describe the concept accurately. The more accurately one thinks the object or item describe the concept, the larger the plus number should choose. Select a minus number for concept one thinks do not describe the concept accurately. The less accurately one thinks the object or item describe the concept, the larger the minus number should choose. Therefore, one can select any number from +3 for every accurate all the way to -3 for every inaccurate. This is an interval scale techniques. Graphic rating scale. In graphic rating, respondents are presented with a graphic continuum. The respondent rate object or item by placing a mark at the appropriate point on the line. The brief description on the scale points are meant to serve as a guideline in allocating the rating. This is an ordinal scale technique. For example, the respondents are asked to rate the services of your cellular company, and 0 to 10 is the points in the graph which represent poor to excellent services. Consensus scale. In consensus, a panel of judges selects certain objects or items with a view to measure the relevant concept. The object or items are chosen particularly based on their relevance to the concept. After the selected objects or items are examined and tested, then a scale is developed based on the census reached. Ranking scale. Ranking scale means comparison between or among objects or items and extract the preferred choices and ranking among them. Ranking scale includes pair comparison scale. In pair comparison scales, the respondents are presented with two objects or items at a time and asked to pick the one they preferred. This helps to access preferences. This is an ordinal scale technique. For example, the respondents are asked, do you prefer Pepsi or Coke? Forced ranking scale. In forced rankings, respondents are asked to rank objects or items related to another among the alternatives provided. This is an ordinal scale technique. For example, the respondents are asked to rank the following newspapers that they would like to subscribe to in order of preference, assigning 1 for the most preferred choice and 5 for the least preferred. The News, The Nation, Business Recorder, Dawn and Daily Times. Comparative scale. In comparative scale, respondents are asked to rate objects or items by comparing them with a benchmark. This is an ordinal scale technique. For example, rate the new employee's performance in comparison with previous one, superior to inferior, and 1 to 5 scalings are given for rating superior to inferior.